Today I'm going to show you guys how to run any PC program or game on your Mac. The first thing you are going to need is an application called Winery. I put the link in the description. You're going to want to open that up, and it takes a second, and then you're going to want to download a new engine. I'm not going to download any because I already have the newest one, which is 1.7.3 I believe. And then you're going to want to create a new blank wrapper, and I'm just going to name it Advanced Map because that's what I'm going to wrap. Advanced Map is just a simple PC file that edits games. And this part takes a while, so just bear with me. Okay, now that it's done, you can just hit View Wrapper in Finder, but for some reason you hit OK. I'm going to show you how to find it the other way because those can be tricky to find. What you're going to do is you want to open up a Finder window, and then it's under your user, and then under Applications. It's not just under the regular Applications file where all of your other applications are. It's not under there, it's under your user, and then Applications. It's right there. Okay, just go ahead and drag that to the desktop. All that you have to do is double click on it to get started. Okay, depending on what kind of file you're going to be doing, hit the top one if it's most likely a game that you have to install, so like Sims or I don't know, just any game. But if it's just a regular kind of program that doesn't have to install, hit copy folder inside. And then you will choose the folder that kind of like holds your program together. So mine is just my Advanced Map folder. And then I'll just hit choose. And then sometimes if you have multiple executable files in there, you have to choose the one, but since there's only one, it already knew which one it was. So you kind of have to pay attention with that one. And then all you have to do is press OK, and then you're finished. And then if you want to start it, all you have to do is double tap on your thing, and then it should open right up. See, there it goes. This isn't really install, it's just a language chooser, so that's why I didn't have to do the install version. And then I didn't create a shortcut because I didn't know what was going to really happen with that. I don't think anything really happens. I don't think it actually makes a shortcut. And so you just show you that this is working, but it is a little bit goofy compared to everything else, and sometimes it yells at you for selecting different files into it, but it should be in there. And I'm just gonna open up one of my random things. This just happened to be Pokemon Emerald, just to kind of show you that this program is working. And this is, you can find tons of tutorials on this if you actually want to go edit Pokemon games or any other GBA games. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube if you feel like trying to figure out how to do that. And just to show you that it works on games too, I have Tropico 4 here, and I'm just going to boot that up really quick, just to kind of show you that it does work on games. Certain games do take a little bit longer to load than others. This one didn't take way too long, but don't be worried if like it's not opening up right away, like I said before. And just give it a second. And those lines you're seeing on the side, that's only my recording thing that's making those lines. Those lines are actually not there when you play it. And since that's done, and just to show you that I did make this one, you hit show package contents, and then you can see that I made it. If you ever want to edit it, just click on the wineskin in there, and then you can edit just about everything with it, and just mess around with it a little bit.